Hi guys, my name's AJ. I'm the Candle Chef. Probably know me as the guy that makes you hungry with all these different kinds of pies, desserts, and sundaes. And I have a pie class this weekend, this Saturday. Most favorite class out of all the classes that I have: little 3-inch, 5-inch lattice pies, 8-inch lattice pies, and I'm going to be showing you how to turn a block of paraffin into this beautiful hand-designed. I went and got a pie from the grocery store. I think it was Michelle's apple pie. Made a model of it, and I actually made a silicone mold of this. Silicone mold to make this I will have available on thecandlechef.com. Only one with this because I just designed this myself. You'll be able to get that on thecandlechef.com, and I'm going to show you this Saturday in my pie class how to make this. I'm going to show you how to paint this, show you what kind of paints. I'm going to show you how to do all the details. I'm going to show you everything you need to know how to make a gorgeous pie candle. And it's an online Zoom class. If you're not able to come to the class, that's okay. I actually record the classes and then give you the link to the video. And I have all different kinds of classes throughout the month. So if you guys are wanting to dabble into the food candle business, I am definitely here to help you out, and I can show how to make the pies, whether it be a 3-inch, a 5-inch, a 5-inch lattice, or an 8-inch pie, cherry cobbler, apple cobbler, peach cobbler, which is my favorite because I do it with Georgia peach, and I'm going to show you all kinds of stuff this Saturday. I hope you guys join me. It is a paid class, so you can join my group, the Candle Chef Academy, and I'm sure there's plenty of people in there that will show you some tips and share some tips on how to get started in the food candle business. Thank you guys. Let me show you this again. It takes about 3 days for this to cure, but my webcam actually does not give this justice. Really pretty golden amber color. I got all the different highlights in there, the crumbs, all that stuff. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do this, come join me on Saturday. Thanks guys, you guys are awesome. I love DIY group. You guys are such an inspiration for me. Excelled my business by giving me the loves and likes and support and that my family does not give me. So I really appreciate all the support, all the love, all the like, all the comments. I appreciate everything, and hopefully I'll see you this Saturday.